Welcome back to the channel. Here's Trader Jan. We are at the market analysis for the 20th of November. I record that market analysis on the 5th of December. And the reason for that is that I was working on some indicators for the last 2 weeks, which show me the actual liquidity in the market, not based on limit orders, but based on actual volume being traded in the market. And I use that one for my market analysis. And I'm going now through the past 2 weeks, and I'm gonna review. I'm gonna set the market analysis first, and then review them how precise they were. But let's focus first on the daily chart. This is for the 20th of November. We see on the 19th here, market came back, so it's very likely the market will further go up or breaching this area and then going further down back into that range here. That's the daily chart. Let's move on to the hourly chart, and we can activate our markers which we defined before. So that is the hourly chart. So let's see how we had one marker yesterday where the markets here was working quite nice here, and we didn't have it on our locations, and we actually should have, because those are the lower parts here of that range. So this was definitely a miss. So that should have been here. Are they still valid? Let's see what is coming. Moment, something happened here to my indicator. It's showing too much here, and now that should be maximum 2 bars. That should be enough. Okay, so now let's review those locations. We had this location here. We're gonna keep that one. That looked very nice. We had these locations here. I don't really have lots of volume. There's a lot of volume here. I'm inclined to change that one here. No, come. That's killing me sometimes. Rather include this one here. And take this one out. And I think here we are good. It's kind of a really weird, let's look a little bit from the distance. That sometimes helps a little. So if I look from here, then I would rather define these ones here at the rejection areas of the previous days and get this one here a little bit higher and do another one in between. Okay. Quite close here, just how many ticks? Oh, 50 ticks. Okay, it should be quite okay-ish. Good. So those are locations defined for the 20th of November. And having said that, we're gonna see then in the review where we ended up with.